Hi hookers. Okay, here's your next video. This is gonna be for round 2. I'm getting one of those ring lights, so I'm hoping these shadows are gonna go away. But anyhow, okay, so I have my first round and I'm working with it face up, okay, facing me. I'm gonna add new yarn. So I take my hook and I put it through one of those spaces. I drape my new color over the hook and I bring it up. And here I'm gonna chain 3. That's my first step, but I'm gonna do it in a tricky way. I'm gonna start the first chain with the tail, then drop my chain, drop the tail, pick up my working yarn and chain the next 2. Okay, and now I have my first chain 3 and I'm gonna scoot it over because everything I'm doing right now is going into this hole, every single thing. So it's called a chain 1 space and each corner has one. So now I'm gonna double crochet 2 times. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna chain 1. And everything I'm doing is in the chain 1 space. So I'm gonna scoot my yarn over and now I'm gonna double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm gonna go fill up the next corner and I'm gonna start with a chain 1. And I'm gonna do the same exact pattern in each chain 1 space. So I'm gonna double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You guessed it, chain 1 and right back into that space. 1, 2, 3. In between, I chain 1. Now I'm gonna go fill up this corner. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Followed by a chain 1 and then into the exact same space. 1, 2, 3. I've got 1 corner to go and it's the same exact pattern. Start with a chain 1. I'm gonna double crochet 3 times into the last space. 1, 2, whoopee, 3, and then I'm gonna chain 1 and do my last 3 double crochets into that space. 1, 2, 3, and then to finish my square, and I'm gonna do this every round. So here I've got my square, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna chain 1, right? Because in between each cluster, we always chain 1. And then I'm gonna slip stitch into the 3rd chain. I showed you that before. We do that every round. So I can count 1, 2, 3 chains, and I'm gonna go right under that chain, the 3rd chain, under each bar with my hook. Bring my yarn through, keep going through that loop on my hook. And then I've got my second square, or we could say the second round. And I do what I do, I cut, I pull this through, and there it is, all my corners. And they're separated by chains, and yippee. Okay, that's round 2. And I'll see you back here for the 3rd and the last round, because every round from this point on that you decide to do is the same exact thing. We're filling in corners, and I'm gonna show you how to fill in these spaces. And that's a classic granny square. See you soon.